Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's Mighty here, your fellow busy parent and busy professional. And today we're tackling something real, getting an effective workout in, even when life is pulling you a million directions. We all know the feeling, right? You look at your calendar and it's just packed. Meetings, deadlines, school pickups, dinner. Finding a solid hour for the gym feels like a luxury you just can't afford. But what if I told you that you could get a fantastic upper body workout done in 30 minutes or less? Yup, you heard me right. Today we're proving that no time is no excuse.
And then we learned about dinosaurs today.
Oh, yeah? Which one was your favorite?
Now, before jumping into our working set, we need to warm up those muscles. I know many people like to stretch out for a long time, but here's a little twist. Instead of spending tons of time stretching, let's use the exercises we're actually going to do. First up, grab about half of your working weight. This helps your muscles get familiar with the movements. We'll do about 5 reps at this weight. Now, listen to your body. If your shoulders are feeling good, go a bit heavier for 2 to 3 reps. You want them worn but not fatigued. Remember, warming up is about prepping your muscles and joints for what's to come. Now you're ready for your working set. First up, we're targeting the chest with the incline dumbbell press. This is fantastic for hitting the upper part of your chest. I went for 2 sets of 8 reps. This range is great for building strength and muscle mass. Remember, controlled movement is key here. Focus on the squeeze at the top and make sure you're taking 2 seconds, well, not 2 seconds, 1.5 seconds on the way down. Next, we're moving to back with flat pull down using a medium grip. This is brilliant for building that V taper and strengthening your lats. For this one, I aim for 2 sets of 8 to 12 reps. This slightly higher rep range helps with muscle endurance and getting a good pump. Pull with your back and not just your arms. Now for shoulders, specifically those side deltoids that give that rounded look. We're doing bent over cable lateral raises. Using cables here gives you constant tension, which is awesome. I did 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps for these. The key is to keep your ego in check and really feel the burn in the side of your shoulders. And here's where we save some time. We're immediately going into a superset right after those lateral raises. I jumped onto the tricep pushdown. This was a 2 set only part of the workout done right after the cable lateral raises. The goal here is to fatigue the triceps while your shoulders are still recovering slightly. Push hard, control the negative. Now, to recap what we did dumbbell incline bench press to target the chest. We did lat pull downs to target our lats. We did cable bent over lateral raises to target our shoulders. And we did some tricep push downs to target and isolate our triceps. Guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's plenty more to come. And as I always tell you, keep pushing, keep striving for better. Peace.